the Double Down Sandwich, THC campus style. And welcome to another video. Let's begin by making the sauce with equal parts of mayonnaise and garlic. So mix those up, and we are going to add some ground red pepper and some smoked paprika. Red pepper will give it a little fire, paprika will give it a lot of color. The longer the longer that this sits, the hotter it's gonna get. So that's basically our sauce. Let's get pick and chatty, and we're gonna throw some sauce on there. A little more sauce, get a lot of sauce, spread that all over the place. We are gonna get another pick and chatty, spread sauce all over that sucker. Add some pepper jack cheese to both sides. We're gonna stack it up with some crispy bacon, and we're gonna close this sandwich. Yeah. Put some toothpicks in there, because when we cut this, we want it to hold together. Cut it in half. Arrange it to display. Get ourselves a little side dish to go with this. Get over there, bacon slice, get underneath. There you go. Okay, and there we go. Voila, the double down sandwich like I used to make at the Turns Out Heroes College campus for the pool kids. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try this sandwich. They are delicious. The pepper jack cheese is a little spicy, and the sauce has a lot of kick the longer it sits. So enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you like it. Click the like. Thank you. Till next time. If I don't see you in the future, I'll see you in the pasture.